Welcome to this video in which we will learn how to make smart door alarm by using Microbit. So let's begin. First open your browser and here we need to search make code Microbit. Make code Microbit and then press enter button. You have to open this first website makecode.microbit.org. Here we need to click on new project and just write the title. So I am writing door alarm or you can write smart door alarm. Then click on this create button and now let's start coding. So here we have our simulator. We do not need this one and we only need forever block. So go to input and here we need on button pressed. We need this because whenever we press button A, it will show us the magnetic field, and this is the show number and we need the magnetic strength in this input. So go to more and here we need this magnetic force. So drag it here and here we need to change it. We need to change this X by strength because we need magnetic strength. So whenever we are going to press the button A, it will display us the magnetic strength. So we can find out the magnetic strength within that area. And here we need if else block and we will place it into forever block here. And we need to go here more and magnetic force. Just place it here. We need a comparison block. We need a comparison block. For this we need to go to this logic section and here we have the comparison block. So drag it and place it here and just drag this magnetic force here, and here we need to specify the magnetic strength, so it's -30 and change it to greater than. So whenever magnetic strength is greater than -30, then we need to show a symbol. So show icon and here change it to a tick sign. So it means that whenever the magnetic force is greater than -30, a tick sign will appear and a music will also be heard. So go to basic again and in else block we need to place this cross symbol. So select this cross symbol. Okay, now let's check our code. We have to download it from here. So connect your microbit with the computer and download it from here. Now it's downloading. So whenever the microbit compass will detect some metal or magnet, it will show the tick symbol and you can listen this music. So if you find this tutorial helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.